Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility. Check your iPhone model and make sure it's running iOS 13 or later. Next, attach the SSD using a Lightning to USB or USB-C adapter. If the drive draws more than the phone can supply, use a powered hub. Once connected, open the Files app to verify the drive appears. If it doesn't, double-check the adapter and power. Make sure the SSD is formatted as XFAT or apps for the smoothest read/write experience. You'll now move data. Open the Files app and tap the external SSD under Locations. Once inside, browse to the folder where you want to place files. Press Select to choose multiple items, then use Move or Copy to start the transfer. If you're copying photos or videos from the Photos app, use Share right arrow Save to Files and pick the SSD. For large transfers, watch the progress indicator and, once done, play a sample file to confirm integrity before deleting originals. Finish by safely ejecting the drive. In Files, tap the eject icon next to the SSD, wait for activity to stop, then unplug. If the SSD isn't recognized, try a different adapter or a powered hub. Many failures are just power or adapter compatibility. Once done, reboot the phone and reconnect. If permissions block access, update iOS or use a third-party file manager that supports the drive format. Remember, don't pull the SSD during a write. Always eject to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.